can hear her doing this. I don't know what this is all about. She's super determined. I just stopped her earlier. Hi, what are you doing? You trying to spill your water? So I put tip-proof stuff in there. Not really tip-proof, but it's better. And I noticed she's still getting her her stuff wet. What gives, baby? What gives? You're not supposed to tip that water over. It makes me angry. Oh, is that what it is? She notices that I open up the bin when she does that? Is that what it is? Probably not. Get back in there. Go on. Yeah, get back in there.